Today, I'll show you exactly how to enable the Chrome Profile Selector so that it pops up every time you start Chrome. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a seamless way to keep your work, personal, or family browsing organized and protected with just one simple change. If you juggle multiple Chrome profiles, maybe one for work, one for home, or you share your computer with others, this tip will make switching between them effortless every time you launch Chrome. Let's dive right in. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Just double-click your Chrome shortcut like you usually do. It's important that you're on the latest version of Chrome, but don't worry if yours isn't perfectly up to date. These steps should still work. Now, take a look at the top right corner of your Chrome window. You'll see a small circle icon up there, either with your picture, your initials, or perhaps just a silhouette. That's your profile icon. Go ahead and give that a click. You'll see a drop-down menu appear. Sometimes it looks a little crowded if you have several profiles set up, but don't be intimidated. Scroll down to the very bottom of this menu. There, you'll find an option that says Manage Chrome Profiles. Click on that. This will open a separate page where all your Chrome profiles are listed, letting you organize or even delete profiles if needed. For today, we'll just focus on enabling that startup selector. Take a look at the bottom of the Manage Chrome Profiles page. Here's where the magic happens. You'll find a checkbox labeled Show on Startup. This is the option you need to enable. What it does is simple but super useful. Whenever you start Chrome, instead of automatically loading into the last used profile, it'll first show you a list of all your profiles. That way, you get to choose which one to use before diving into your browsing session. Just check that box. If you ever want to turn this off in the future, you can simply come back here and uncheck it. Next, it's really important that you completely close all Chrome windows. I know it might be tempting to just close the main window and assume the change took effect, but sometimes Chrome runs in the background, especially if you use extensions or web apps. To be sure, click the X on all Chrome windows and give it a moment to fully close. Don't worry if Chrome takes a few seconds to disappear from your taskbar or dock. That's totally normal. Now for the final step. Let's test it out. Reopen Chrome just like you did at the start. Instead of jumping into a browser window, you should now see the Chrome Profile Selector screen. This lets you pick which profile you want to use right away. It's perfect for keeping your online life organized. For example, if you start your day with work emails, you can choose your work profile and later switch over to your personal profile for streaming or shopping without any confusion or mix-ups between accounts. And that's all there is to it. With the profile selector enabled on startup, switching between your Chrome identities is easier than ever. If you found this tip helpful, give the video a quick like. It really helps out. Feel free to drop a comment below if you have any questions, or if you want to share how you use Chrome profiles. And don't forget to click subscribe so you won't miss more quick, useful tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.